Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Indian-style burrito. This exciting fusion dish brings together the familiar, convenient structure of a Mexican burrito with the vibrant, aromatic flavors of Indian cuisine. Imagine soft flatbreads filled with richly spiced ingredients, fluffy rice, and tangy chutneys. It's a wonderful way to enjoy a complete, flavorful meal in a handheld format, perfect for any time of day. The heart of an Indian-style burrito lies in its flavorful filling. You can choose from a variety of options like tender paneer, hearty chickpeas, savory lentils, or succulent spiced chicken. These are often cooked with a blend of aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala, creating a rich and complex taste. Adding fresh vegetables like sautéed onions, colorful bell peppers, or wilted spinach enhances both flavor and texture. For the wrap, you can use large flour tortillas, or explore Indian flatbreads like soft roti or flaky paratha for an authentic touch. Inside, a bed of fluffy basmati or jasmine rice, often infused with cumin, provides a comforting base. To complete your burrito, add fresh, vibrant toppings such as tangy pickled onions, fresh cilantro, and a dollop of cooling raita or a sweet and spicy chutney. These elements add essential layers of flavor and texture. Assembling your Indian-style burrito is simple. First, gently warm your chosen flatbread for about 20 seconds to make it pliable. Then, layer your ingredients, starting with a spoonful of rice, followed by your main filling, a drizzle of sauce, and fresh toppings like pickled jalapenos or lettuce. Distribute everything evenly. Fold the two sides inward, then roll tightly from the bottom towards the top, ensuring all the delicious contents are securely wrapped. Enjoy your homemade fusion creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.